If you have watched my video about September 7th, the Independence Day in Brazil, you might remember we came to this park here, the Ipiranga Park, at the margins of Ipiranga River, where the independence was proclaimed. But unfortunately, because of COVID-19, the park was closed. For that reason, I decided to come back here once more to show you the monuments we have and everything around the park. So stay with the images. Patience is one of man's big virtue. You waited, stay with the images of the Ipiranga Museum. Remember, it's under renovation to the year of 2022 when it's going to reopen for the public.